Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar has succumbed to a slight bearish sentiment after the market experienced a whipsaw price action following the RBA's rate announcement. As widely expected, the RBA kept rates on hold at 4.35%, however adopted to a slightly hawkish tone. Given the fact the market has found good resistance around 66.25 after many attempts we can see here around the top side since March, we're finding a bit of profit taking emerging, which could see the market trickle back towards 65.65. From there, the bullishness may return. I'm not overly negative. I feel this could be an opportunity to see the market re-establish positions from a bullish bias and look for a bounce towards the region of 67 cents. With economic data relatively light, the market is somewhat subdued over the last 24 hours for the euro, even though the dollar index did edge up slightly to 105.36. Given the slight pullback, I still feel the market is potentially bullish and can look up towards the region of 108 or extending to 109. Overall, the dollar index has broken down and therefore should in turn see the euro gain higher. Weakness towards the lows of 107 should find demand. The dollar yen has found further strength in the last 24 hours as the market now looks towards 155. Given the fact that the yen is weaker, I still am on the cautious side due to the recent speculation of last week's intervention from the Bank of Japan. Although not confirmed, the market should still continue to be aware in case we do see another significant downturn. Given the weak technicals, I still believe the market can actually eventually reach the bottom side range around 151.5 and still look into that 150.5 as a broader target. With Super Thursday coming, the sterling found a bit of weakness overnight, but managing to find support close to the 124.5 to 124.80. In light of the pattern, the technicals are a little bit mixed, so we may see a little bit more weakness, but towards 124.60 should bounce and overall keep the top side target around 126 to 127. Gold was weaker overnight, dropping away from 2,330 and still maintaining a bearish bias. Given the fact the technicals are somewhat negative, I feel we could eventually reach the target around 2,250 from a broader call. Any upside attempt should find resistance around 2,330 still. Wrapping up with oil, still be a little bit cautious to the bearish case, as I still feel from the given pattern may see a breakdown towards $75 a barrel, with any upside attempts to foul towards $79 a barrel. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoyed the great start to the day.